What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use Canva Styles to easily customize templates or even new Canva designs. So first I'm going to go into canva.com and I'll click on create new design. So from here I can choose Instagram. For this example, so I'll choose a post here. So now we have an empty page in Canva. So at this point, you can choose to use templates, and the templates are right here, on the left hand side. So you can scroll through these templates. And so for this example, let's choose this particular template. So I'll choose that template, and here is the template. So now to use the style is basically to customize this template to meet our style need. So right on the left hand side, you can see there is templates and styles. So we can change these styles by clicking on styles. And then here, if you have a brand style, you can link it here, but this is a pro version. So here are some styles available in Canva, so you can scroll through it and see. So for this example, let's use this. So I'll just click on this. So once I click on it, you can see that everything changes here. The font will change, the color will change. So I can click on that as well. You can see all these changes. I can click on that. You can see it will change. It comes already with a color palette and also the fonts. So let's scroll through and let's look for this. You can see this will change, and you can choose if you're someone who doesn't have a color code or a color palette already existing for your designs. You can just choose Canva existing color styles. So let's just go with one. So I'll choose this, and to change the designs, I'll just keep shuffling, and you can see from here it keeps changing. I'll shuffle, 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 and then I can now customize this. For example, let's say my space, and then put maybe location. So you put the date and all that. So you can change even the image as well. And I'll search for couch and go to images. Then from here, we can change that to that. And then click on it again. Go to design and then just switch this up. And then after this, you can just go here. You can download your image. Click on download. So I want to show you how this will. So I'll open my downloaded image, and here you can see this is something you can just write without having to. And this is a simple design just using Canva Styles. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.